Hey, what's going on? It's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC hitting you guys with another video today. I am super excited today. I am super excited. Why? Because it started snowing. This is New York. We got snow. We finally got snow over here in Long Island. So now I get to play with my little snow rigs. My little RC snow rigs. So I figured I'd do a video showing you guys and sharing with you guys the Kyosho. This is called the Kyosho Blizzard 2.0. So basically, obviously, the Blizzard 2.0 comes with the plow in the front. It is functional, which is very cool. I love that. That's why I picked it up actually. I love the features on it, and actually it looks so scale. Even with the window stickers, it still looks so scale. I love this truck. This is definitely one of my favorite rigs from Kyosho. I'm going to upgrade it. I definitely want to put the metal tracks on here. I've had this for a few years. I only drove it once, which was last year actually. I did a little short. If you guys want to check that out, I did a little short last year of me just driving it in the front yard in the driveway, But today, I figure we'll take it out in the backyard and see how far we can go with it, right? So I'm gonna pop a battery in here for you guys, and we're gonna take it for a ride, take it for a spin. We'll do a little video of it. So it does come with plastic tracks from out the box. The motor is brushed. It does come with 2 motors. Each motor powers either side. So one motor powers this side of the tracks, the other motor powers the other side of the tracks. I really like it, I definitely love it. Again, look at the look at the exhaust stack coming out the back. Very cool, It's got a nice little bed on the back of it also. Nice, not bad. It's got a little light on the top. The light at the top is not functional. Just to let you guys know, it's not a functional light. But it's there for the scale look. So I appreciate that still. It does come with the mirrors on both sides. Definitely like the rig, like I said. So, not that it has springs or anything like that inside the vehicle, but it does have a little rebound, I guess you would say. Yep, in the front also. Nice. Yeah, so in the back and towards the front, it has like a little rebound to it. Not bad, not bad. I'll show you guys the inside. Again, this is a brushed vehicle. I do intend on making this brushless one day and putting the metal tracks on this. So, just show you guys the body, a closer look of the body. Again, even with the stickers, it looks so super scale. It looks very cool. The little headlight stickers in it. The mirrors. I love it. I definitely like it. There we go. And even though it has the window stickers, it actually has interior on the inside. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a little seat and everything else inside here. One day I may actually take the stickers off and actually clear out the windows so you guys can actually see what's inside, see the actual interior. Very cool. And just want to show you guys also the inside of the Blizzard. So you have, like I said, this one motor powering one of the tracks. This motor here powers the other track. You have your ESC and receiver in this box here, and I believe this is waterproof. You place your batteries here. Place your one battery here. And as you can see, all the gearing in here is actually plastic. I'm not sure if they make upgrades for the gears. I'm not sure if you can make them metal or not, but honestly, they do well. You know, I didn't feel like the gears were skipping or anything like that. Just to show you guys also, here's your servo for the plow, which I'm definitely gonna upgrade, you know, just to make it a little stronger, of course. You know, otherwise it does well the way it is. It does well. I mean, right out the box, you could definitely move some snow and have fun in the snow, you know, and that's why I bought it, you know. So let's throw a battery in this thing and let's have some fun in the snow, you know. All right, let's go. And just to show you guys where the power button is, here is your power button, so you don't have to keep taking the body off and on to actually hit the power button. So here you go. That's your power button right here. Very convenient. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with the Blizzard 2.0. We're gonna take it for a ride. Let's put the batteries in, turn the remote on, and let's go. Let's have some fun. Yeah, nice. So I'm running a 2S LiPo battery on this thing, which should definitely liven it up a little bit. Nothing crazy, but you know, it's a little bit more powerful than the nickel battery. Here's your remote. Power that on, of course, first. And let's power on the vehicle. Nice. So to lift the plow, lift it up. Just slide the right trigger over. Put it down, of course, to the right. Right is down, to the left is up. See how far we can make it out there. Doing very well. These plastic tracks. Nice. Having fun in the snow with the Blizzard 2.0. Nice. Definitely got to admit, this is definitely one of my favorite snow rigs. Very fun. Makes you feel like a kid all over again, you know? See if we can move this. Makes nice turns. Okay, guys, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Having fun in the snow with the Blizzard 2.0. Always have fun bringing this thing out. Again, like I said, as soon as it snows, this is definitely one of my go-to vehicles for the snow. I love it. I definitely love this vehicle. It's a great vehicle. Never lets me down. You know, again, that's why I want to upgrade it. You know, doesn't need it, but myself, I just want to give it a little bit more power. Definitely want to put some metal tracks on it and see how it performs. You know, after I put the metal tracks and the upgraded steering servo, pardon me, the upgraded servo for the plow, and upgrade the motors to brushless to give it a little bit more power. Otherwise, I love this truck. Definitely, like I said, one of my favorite trucks. I just want to say thank you to everybody for watching, viewing, and commenting and subscribing and everything else. I greatly appreciate it. You know, I'm glad you guys enjoy the content. And I just want to wish everybody a happy new year. I hope everybody's enjoying their family and your friends. And it's your guy Rocky from Rockside RC. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Rockside out.